also features a guitar solo, which is a challenge for me. So I'd appreciate some encouragement when the time comes. Once an honest man could go from sunrise to its set without encountering agents of the state or government. But a sorry cloud of tyranny has fallen across the land, brought on by the hollow man who did not understand that for centuries our forefathers have fallen off and died to keep themselves unto themselves, to fight the rising tide. And if in the smallest battles we surrender to the state, we enter in a darkness whence we never shall escape. And they raise their hands up, our lives to possess, to know our souls, to drag us down, we'll resist. What Tyler led the people in 1381 to meet the king at Smithfield, and he issued this demand: that Winchesters should be the only law across the land, the law of all King Alfred's time, and free of honest men. Cause the people and they understood what we have since forgot: a government can only work for its own benefit. And I'd rather stand up naked against the elements alone, keep the hollow man the right to enter in my home. They raise their hands up, that went pretty fucking well, my friends. Mr. Tarrant on the bass guitar. Stand up, sons of liberty, and fight for what you own. Stand up, sons of liberty, and fight for your homes. Everybody, stand up, sons of liberty, and fight for what you own. Stand up, sons of liberty, and fight for your homes. Stand up, sons of liberty, and fight for what you own. Stand up, sons of liberty, and fight for your homes. Stand up, sons of liberty, and fight for what you own. Stand up, sons of liberty, and fight for your homes. So, if ever a man should ask you for your business or your name, tell him to go and fuck himself, tell his friends to do the same. Cause the man who traded his liberty for a safe and dreamless sleep doesn't deserve the both of them, and neither shall he keep.